A festive dessert in a glass that will impress your guests. Pour strawberry jelly into glasses and chill it in the fridge. Once set, top it with whipped cream. Cut off the tip of a strawberry and place it on the cream. Add a small dot of whipped cream on top. Your mini Santa hat is ready, a perfect treat for your holiday table. Everyone who visits me asks for this recipe. I place a jar in the center of a bundt cake pan. Around it, I pack vegetable salad made from my favorite recipe. Then I insert slices of toast bread rolled up with salad inside. On top, I add a spoonful of mayonnaise to make it look like melted wax. I remove the mold and cover the whole thing with a thin layer of mayonnaise. Then I stick a candle on the top. Finally, I decorate it with fresh dill and some fruit. The salad looks stunning on the table. The perfect poached egg straight from a strainer. They teach this in cooking classes. It's a foolproof method. Start by preparing a pot of water. When the water begins to boil, take 2 metal strainers with fine mesh. Place the strainers on the sides of the pot, making sure the water doesn't touch them. The egg will cook with steam, not in the water. Crack an egg into each strainer and cover the pot with a lid. The steam will gently cook the egg whites, creating the perfect soft consistency without the risk of the egg spilling. Steam for about 3 minutes until the egg whites set and the yolk remains runny. If you prefer a firmer yolk, extend the cooking time by 1 minute. Now, just serve it on toast, preferably with avocado. You can season with salt and pepper. It's a quick and easy method for the perfect poached egg without dealing with water swirls and vinegar.
A new way to have eggs for breakfast. My family asks for these every weekend. Start by grating 3 medium potatoes. Do it on a larger grid, then add sliced ham to those potatoes. Mix these 2 ingredients carefully. Add pepper and salt to this batch. After that, whisk 1 egg. Also add 30 grams of flour. The mixture will acquire a better consistency. Once again, mix carefully, then melt the butter in a frying pan. At this time, make a round form of the resulting mass, in which you also make an indentation. It should resemble a nest. Pour the eggs into the indentation. Fry them over medium heat for about 10 minutes. Preferably covered. Turn them over and fry for another 5 minutes until golden brown. After this time, remove them from the pan. Serve them with your favorite vegetables. Guaranteed that you will want to have them every day.
Add a few drops to boiling eggs, and the shell will come off easily. You won't struggle with peeling them anymore. If you've ever had trouble peeling eggs, I assure you that this will change. This egg cooking trick guarantees beautifully peeled eggs every time. You'll proudly serve them to your guests without embarrassment. When buying eggs, we all want them to be fresh. But if they're truly fresh, peeling can be tricky after boiling. The solution is to cook them the right way. Peeling eggs easily is one issue, but another common problem is eggs cracking. That's why many people place eggs in an empty pot, cover them with cold water, and only then start cooking them. They also add salt. If an egg cracks, it won't leak all over the pot. But how do you make the shell come off easily? The answer is one fruit. Lemon. Take 1 lemon, cut it in half, and slice it. Or just squeeze the juice. Add it to the boiling eggs. Lemon softens the shell, preventing it from cracking and making peeling easier. Eggs boiled this way will peel without any hassle. If you don't have a lemon, you can add a bit of vinegar to the boiling water for the same result. I prefer using lemon slices or lemon juice. I fry eggs in water. I stopped frying them in oil a long time ago. I have gained a lot from this change. If you fry eggs in oil or any kind of fat, you will stop doing it as soon as you watch this video. Frying eggs in water is simple and makes less mess. It's also healthier, which is important for many people. First, prepare a pan and pour about a cup of water into it, enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Turn on the stove to bring the water to a boil. In the meantime, prepare the eggs. First, crack 1 egg into a small bowl, then the second. Once the water is boiling, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Stir the water with the vinegar. Vinegar is ideal for preparing eggs in water. Now pour the eggs into the pan. Leave them in the pan for a few minutes. The whites need to set well. This will take a moment. When you see that the eggs are ready, turn off the stove. Remove the eggs and place them on a plate. All that's left now is to season them to your liking and eat. I hope you try this trick and are as satisfied as I am. It took me many years to discover this method. Grab a large pot and fill it halfway with water, making sure there's enough room for the water to boil without spilling over. Bring the water to a boil over medium heat. Meanwhile, coat a ladle with oil. This simple trick prevents food from sticking to it. Next, crack an egg into the oiled ladle. Slowly lower the ladle with the egg into the boiling water, being careful not to submerge the egg. Hold it there for about a minute until you see the egg white starting to set on the sides. Once the white near the yolk has set, fully submerge the ladle with the egg into the water. Keep it submerged for just under a minute. When the egg white on top has set, remove the egg from the water and place it on a plate. This is a simple trick for making poached eggs. With this method, you can enjoy perfectly set whites and a runny yolk, and it's never been easier to make. Combine eggs with oats. You've never had anything like this before. Pour 200 grams of oats into a bowl. Then add 2 eggs. Pour in 150 milliliters of milk. Add seasonings like salt and pepper. Mix everything thoroughly. Let it sit for 20 minutes. In the meantime, prepare the remaining ingredients. Finely chop some parsley. Grate about 150 grams of cheese using a coarse grater. Also, prepare a bell pepper and tomato sauce. It's the perfect complement to this dish. Take a red bell pepper, remove the seeds and chop it into small cubes. You'll also need a few cherry tomatoes. Cut them into smaller pieces. Next, take a pan and pour in some olive oil. Use a garlic press to crush 1 clove of garlic into the pan. Once the garlic is lightly sautéed, add the pepper and tomatoes. Cook on low heat until the vegetables are soft. Transfer the cooked vegetables to a blender and blend them into a smooth, aromatic sauce. Now, return to the oats mixture. Add the grated cheese and chopped parsley. Heat a pan and pour in some oil. Then, spread the oat mixture onto the pan. This will create a delicious omelet. Sprinkle it with black sesame seeds. Cook for a few minutes. After that, use a plate to flip it over and cook the other side for a few more minutes. Then, remove it from the pan and cut it into pieces. This omelet is perfect for breakfast or lunch. Serve it with the prepared sauce. This combination is simply delicious.